damn. Okay, so I was just sitting here, you know, trying to get a little bit of work done, as I normally do in the afternoons. Just doing a little bit of video editing, and I went, you know what, it's time to stretch out a little bit and go check the mail. So I do that, and I ended up having this package. Let me cover up my address. I ended up having this package in the email, and I hadn't ordered anything, and I wasn't expecting anything from B&H Photo either. And I said, oh, I recognize that name. And I realized that I had written a review on a product that I had bought last year. It was well past the 1-year warranty. I had bought it back in August of 2017 for my MacBook Pro, my 13-inch. But I had sold it maybe, I don't know, 6 or so months ago. And I just placed the product in my desk drawer and had just completely forgotten about it until I knew that I was going to buy this. So, you know, I just kind of put it in there for safekeeping. And I figured, okay, you know, I'll probably get another laptop here really soon, and then I'll grab it then. And I put the product in, and it didn't work. Or at least I thought it didn't work. And I completely forgot that I had written a really harsh review. I mean, I'll admit it. It was kind of harsh, but it was on this product right here. This is called the CharJen Pro, and this is a USB-C adapter. I couldn't get it to fit in my brand new MacBook Pro 15-inch. So I thought, oh, it doesn't work. It's no good anymore. Well, they wrote me quickly. I don't know, maybe within a day or so. And then, of course, life happens. You get busy and you forget. So I wrote a really harsh review, and they got back with me, and it did, in fact, work. So it was not dead. It did not crap out. And they sent me a replacement. I did not ask for this replacement. And in the box is a handwritten letter. It says, I'm Charlie, founder of CharJen Pro with my wife, Jenny, hence CharJen Pro. I want to go ahead and read the entire thing to you because I am, quite honestly, taken aback. It says, I want to personally write you and apologize for the issue with your USB-C adapter. I read your critical Amazon review. We have been trying to contact you through Amazon, but with no luck. I am directly involved with your order to ensure quality and your satisfaction. As a husband and wife run company, each review is very important to our business. I sincerely hope you can reconsider your Amazon review and help us with a 5-star. If you need anything, my direct email is, and he gives it to me. Please enjoy my package. Thank you for your support. Warm regards, Charlie. And then there's another handwritten note down here at the bottom. Telling you. Says, hi Mark, your Mac stick is not dead. The 2018 USB-C ports are tighter. Press it in until you hear a click. It is safe. There should be no gap. That should do it. I just want to say, honestly, in an age where everything is throwaway, where everything is disposable, where customer service it at times feels like it's not even there, like it's completely lacking. This is so nice to see. This is how a company earns and then keeps my business. This is impressive, and I am immediately going to change my review right now. So Charlie and Jen, I really do want to thank you all for the letter. That was, seriously, that was top notch. That was awesome, and I'm really sorry about that 1-star review. I'm totally going to change it. So, at any rate, guys, if you happen to pick up a brand new MacBook and you need some extra I/O, I can now fully and wholeheartedly recommend the CharJen Pro adapter. Was not planned. This is not contrived. Just true blue and honest. You know I tell the truth. Alright, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace!